5. Natural ways to treat oily skin at home.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
1. Wash regularly. Regular washing can help to decrease the amount of oil on your skin. Wash with mild soap and warm water. 2. Use a toner. Alcohol-based toners can cause the skin to become tight and dry. According to research, natural astringents such as witch hazel have skin-soothing capabilities. 3. Pat the face dry. People should softly pat their skin dry after washing it and using toner while drying the face with a light towel. 4. Use blotting papers and medicated pads. Blotting papers will not treat sebum production in the skin, but they can be used to remove extra oil from the skin surface all day long, reducing its shine. 5. Apply moisturizers. An oil-free moisturizer might help damp and protect fragile, oily pores on people with very greasy skin. According to research, aloe vera may help prevent and treat acne and smooth skin. Thank you for watching.